Hello friends, it's Marlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com. Welcome back to our channel. If you are looking for ways to have a functional kitchen, including preparing delicious meals for your family, I encourage you to please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any videos when we post them. Now, in this video, we are roasting our favorite root vegetables. So let's get started. So to begin, we are using this large sweet potato. First, you want to peel your potatoes completely. We are using a paring knife to peel the potatoes. You can definitely use a peeler. Once you are done peeling your potatoes, go ahead and slice them into even-sized pieces or as even as possible. Once you are done, transfer them to a bowl that's filled with water, and that way the water is used so that it does not discolor the potatoes. Next, you are peeling and chopping your carrots. Over here we are using organic carrots, but feel free to use whichever you like. We are also peeling beets. Now, I know some people have a love and hate relationship with beets, but we do love beets. So you can definitely customize this to your liking. Once you are done, transfer all of your root vegetables into an air fryer safe baking dish. A regular sheet pan will be just fine. Depending on the air fryer that you have, our oven here has an air fryer system as well, or you can just use a countertop air fryer. Be sure that you cook all of the vegetables that takes longer together, so that way you don't overcook the ones that do not. Go ahead and lightly season it with salt and pepper, as well as drizzle olive oil to it to baste it. Now the olive oil will be used to give it that extra crunchiness that we like when roasting vegetables. Go ahead and use your hands and massage the seasoning and olive oil in and get ready to air fry. So while your vegetables are air frying, go ahead and prepare the sauce. For this, we are making a yogurt sauce. I am using plain Greek yogurt. And the reason why I'm using plain Greek yogurt is because we want to develop our own flavors. So we are using lemon. You can use lime also. And this is about a tablespoon of lemon. Once you finish adding the lemon in, go ahead and season it with your ground pepper. If you don't like pepper, that's perfectly fine. You can definitely substitute that for something else. I also like to add cumin to it from time to time. We are also adding in red pepper flakes. Again, this is just to give it heat, but if you are not a fan of spicy food, that's perfectly fine. You can just go ahead and omit that. We are also adding in fresh thyme. This is from our garden, but dry thyme will also work, or you can use parsley. Once you are done adding in your herbs as well as your seasoning, go ahead and stir it until all of the ingredients are well combined. Place your yogurt sauce in the refrigerator until you are ready to use it. So now the air fryer is complete, the rooted vegetables are cooked, so just make sure that you check it with a fork. As long as the vegetables are forked through, then you are done. Transfer your root vegetables into a platter, or in this case a baking dish, and pour in the sauce that we created. If you are serving it this way is great. If you have a large family, everyone can just go ahead and dig in with their own plate, of course. give it a quick taste. And that is it, guys. It's very quick and easy, delicious air fryer root vegetable recipe is on our website at savorythoughts.com. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let us know exactly what you paired yours with, and if you have any tips and tricks on how to make these root vegetables in your air fryer. Don't forget to subscribe as we post new videos weekly, and hit the notification bell. Cheers.